Okay guys, so for today's video we're going to be using the Phonto app. We're going to click on the camera at the bottom, click on plain image, the white image at the top right, click at the numbers at the top, custom, and we're going to switch the size to 1280 by 720. Go ahead and click use and save. Now we're going to search for YouTube end screen template size, and we're going to click on that green image. Go ahead and save it. Now we're going to add our template into our white image. We're going to go ahead and size it down, make sure that it's correctly top to bottom, left to right. Go ahead and save your template. Now we click on the camera, click reset, click camera once again, plain image, white image, numbers at the top, custom, and we're going to switch the size to 1280 by 720. Go ahead and click use and save. Now we look for our background image, or it could be a simple color, it's all your choice. Go ahead and add your background image into the white image. Size it down, make sure it matches top to bottom, left to right, and save your image. Now click on the camera and reset, camera once again, photo albums, and we're gonna choose our background image that we just saved. And at this point you could just add whatever you like. I'm adding thanks for watching. This is all your choice, and you can customize the letters however you like. Now I'm looking for a white empty circle PNG. Go ahead and save your image. And now we're adding our image into our end screen. Go ahead and enlarge the circle, screenshot, and now we're gonna crop it down into a square, making sure that we just get the white area. Go ahead and save the image. And now we're just gonna go ahead and add our screenshot into our end screen. And this is gonna be the sizes that we're gonna use for our circle and rectangle, so you can screenshot now. Go ahead and size down the circle and rectangle to the correct sizes from the screenshot. Now we're just going to go ahead and add our green screen template. Make sure that it matches our end screen. Click on the circle and rectangle, and we're just going to make sure that they're both inside the dark blue area. So our rectangle is going to be our video, and if you'd like to add a second one, just go ahead and repeat the process, sizing down the rectangle. And just make sure that everything is inside the dark blue area. So now I'm gonna type subscribe for more videos, which is gonna go under my circle, which is gonna be my subscribe button. And now I'm typing latest video for where my video is gonna go. Now I'm looking for a white arrow PNG. Go ahead and save your image. And now we're just going to add it into our end screen. You can place it wherever you like. This is all your choice. And now I'm just looking for an Instagram logo PNG. And you could add your Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, whatever you like. This is all your choice. Now you can add whatever you like to your end screen. This is all just an example of how your end screen can look. So now we're just gonna go ahead and save our image. And now we're gonna open up iMovie and start a new project. Now we're gonna click Ken Burns disabled, making sure our entire image is showing. And now size down your video to whatever time you like. I did 8 seconds. And just go ahead and save your video. And of course you can add your background music to your end screen. But we are basically all done, guys. Make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and thank you guys so much for watching.